To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your YouTube account. And as you can see, there are no subtitles on this video. And if you want to turn it off, you want to go ahead and click on the wrench button right here, this one. If you can't see this wrench button, but you can see 3 lines at the top right corner in the same position, you want to go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to click on the wrench button, and you want to click on captions. So here are the options on how to control captions on YouTube. If you go to auto-generated English, now we can see subtitles appearing as she speak, okay? And if you tap on your screen once and go back there, click on captions, you can see auto translate. You want to click on that, and here you can see you can change to any of the available languages, okay? Let's say French. You can see the translation is now in French, all right? And let's say you want to turn it off, you want to go back there again. And this time you want to click on turn off captions, all right? Now let's go back there one more time, and I have a trick for you. Let's say you want to leave your captions on always on any video on YouTube. All right, what you need to do is to, as you can see, to keep captions on by default, adjust captions visibility in your device settings. You want to go ahead and click on device settings, and this will take you straight to your phone, okay? And you want to turn this on. Once you do this, your captions will appear on always, okay? And here are other options about the captions, okay? I don't want to keep it on always, so I'm going to turn it off and go back. Guys, this is how to turn off subtitles and closed captions on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.